here today not because of the, but I want to see again how the hospital is doing.
Yes.
But I want to check the vehicles which you assigned here.
Yeah.
Whose vehicle is this?
This is a parastatal one. I don't know it.
Which parastatal? Water. Na hiyo ingine? Oh, this is yours. The other one? That's mine. Umefunga ofisi because I want to go around with you. Funga ofisi. Nani Ronald? Parking what? Hapa. All right. Out. No, I've seen some vehicles here. There is another parking here. Whose vehicles are these? Huh?
Where we sit, that's where we park. There's another parking down.
You're sure your vehicle is there?
Yeah, it's my vehicle.
Okay. When did you park it there?
Yesterday, but today we went to see.
Then
we came back to the
But Dakari, whose vehicles are these?
So personal vehicles here. Some are related to patients in the ward. Others I have. We have this GK for the hospital and the ambulance.
Is it working?
No. They're installed here.
Yes. For how long?
They've been here for some time. I actually requested that we can tow them to the other side so we free this area. Yeah, we are marked this area for.
But we have even a breakdown. See, we have a breakdown.
Yes.
Huh? Where do we get? Is there a route here to the parking of these people?
We can pass through.
Good.
So yeah, the functional vehicles I have here is one ambulance, one utility vehicle, which currently is installed, awaiting servicing. Then the official CS vehicle, and there's a counter. Initially, I'm told was for the hospital, but currently being managed by the Department of Health.
Tunapita pande gani? No. How is the hospital? Have you done your rounds?
Yes, I arrived from Kapsabet, the mental health office. I was getting briefs.
What is happening here? Okay. Where? Okay. Any issues?
So we had 18 casualties from the accident which happened at Nachenge.
18?
Yes. There was a head-on collision between two Nissans. So we think around 18 casualties.
What is their condition?
We have referred one out to Eldoret because of spine injury. The rest are stable, awaiting some surgeries.
We didn't lose anybody.
I think we lost 3.
3 people died?
Yes. One at the scene, a child. One we lost here, a lady, and the one gentleman died on arrival. Yes. I shared that communication with you at around 1.
How did it happen?
These guys were competing for passengers, I'm told.
They were competing for passengers?
Yes. Initially they overspeed when they want to pick passengers ahead of another.
Oh, okay. What is their state? Those drivers.
I'm yet to get the exact condition of the driver specifically.
Mm.
For now, I just have a full list.
Mm.
A whole list of all the teeth.
This place is not lit. Nkweba, you stay here, and you've never come at night to check if it's properly lit.
I want to agree that I'm not back here.
Are there cameras here? As long as you're comfortable being driven around, you can't think outside the box. Eh? Eh? But you have not even checked. You are the boss here. Eh? As long as you have a bodyguard, you're being driven around, the door is being opened for you. Eh? You don't have? I'm told every person has assigned themselves. Where is your vehicle? Yours, eh? Okay, let us start with this one. Whose vehicle is this? Uh-huh. But now it's back to normal. Who uses it?
Just used for the
Project. Okay. This one? Whose vehicle is this? Ngyo korai. Ngakyo korai giranga. Eh? Nkana ralia. Iranda. Eh. Buogo. Sei non alia. Okay. Ono buli mutu bwa tiranda. Ndako buli muno no kolega. Eh? Can I get the details of these people? What they are doing? Eh? The status report chi family chiabo. So that abanda bakibaho chagaiga they should be spoken to tomainga kitoba konya other than wo chagaiga nandi mambe bachibarwal nandi bairanega. We must help them. Eh? Mwana mno olwe school. Eh? Okugenda kokora obusani onyolera abana. Eh? Nandi utalendeti. Abokonyora oyonde lakini bono whatever kwasomire lesson talibo. Eh? Bono. Umwana mitinyire ngali. Oyo tigire kobonga. Usengo wonka. Yeah, ogende oirane school. Omuisho inaburanya ka weta mademo agende nanta ogwenyora pi. Ukyandika no mwana lyoka. Ogende okole school. Sasa ngoli nande. Aye mwana kila. 52. Mzee wako anafanya nini? Hauna mzee? Ulipata mtoto aje? Boyfriend. Wewe unafanya nini? Hakuna. Sasa utawezaje bwana wako anafanya nini sasa? Huyo boyfriend? Mwana, kwenu ni wapi? Kwenu ni wapi? Nyankoba? Na baba. Turi gukora kende. Musaji utari gukora kende. Mwanyolera omwana. Eh? Mwana ngakyangani. Kwa bwato kiri umaiga. 50 what? 52. Aya, ngakane 27. Okay, ngakane 30, wakane 20. Sasa, make sure ngachiwe sechi atoke. Mwambie ose wiki. Batebinga kabana najete twakanire eno sechiwe secho. Nae kara ngoje kidogo. Na aliyosome the way. Na aliyosome the way. Ngikiagerete. Abana mbalengo bwa the mawili. Uwa tikite school kwa nyora abana. Eh? Iko bonsi no maite abaisa abana abo. No maite gaki. see, counseling again. These people need some counseling. These are hard facts you must get. Tubwat musacha oikiri abana babiri tama etisen barabi. None says diri kumanya gagi ngani ngo ngane ngombe. Ai baba. Go walk and rande kibe sage. Ogende abana abayisanire. Onye tubwat musacha. Mamu mino ngiaga. Volem tato mino. No, tu vas a letra mamu mino neme chande menge. Mbali ngamule mino. Wawili. When you are ngapi wa kwanza ama wa mwisho? Wa kwanza. When you are a first born again, wewe unakuwa kiongozi. Kwa hivyo uache hiyo. Tena lazima ujue baba ya hao watoto. Kwani yako nyoronde wenzi mwata na tuma etini ngokoboli. Airende baba. 8,000. 8,000. Umeachiliwa hapa. Aya lipe 4,000 nitalipa yengine. Sasa. Uko na pande gani pande? Kwenu ni wapi? Suneka. Wewe umemaliza shule? Ulifika ngapi? Form 2. Hata wewe ulipata mtoto? Miezi ngapi? Miezi 7. Ni nini ilikufanya upate mtoto? What were you doing for it to be an accident? What were you sent to school to do? Then how can it be an accident? Mama anafanya nini? Na baba yako? Sasa mama yako ni mgonjwa, kitu unaenda kufanya ni kwenda kuletea yeye mtoto? Watu, daktari, watoe nusu ya hiyo pesa, nitalipa hiyo nusu nyingine. Airende baba. Aino mong na mchando to hiyo. No rolio. Kwa watu kiruma. Ebili ya omachere. 113. Aya. Ngakane 63. Echinda 50. Patei balete. Osoke kuroi. And make sure nga chiwe siji atokre wiki. Na nchenga kane 63,000. Irenga wate vai. Tindi kuwaka na ojina yande korara na basacha bando tamanyiti na andonyo mwana. Sasa ngaka neno so yichibe sanate airendo mai. Oyo mai gaya. Umwana bwata? Ebili ya oire ngengani? 46. I am paying 26, ulipe 20. Sasa? Yeah. Kwa hivyo get those bills. I'll pay hiyo pesa nyingine wanini waende nyumbani. Sister wai. Hao watu nimesema nitalipia wao nusu. Waende wamekaa hapa sana. Na another thing nurse. Hao watu especially hao watoto wa shule. Huyu na yule. Watoto wadogo. Counseling. Hata hao wengine wanasema hawana shamba. Hata kama wapewe pesa watakula. Let us cancel them. Daktari, you must have a program kusaidia watu. Mwanja bayo? Ewan. Tuarobot kubia chibe se chinche mambi nkurunde echo nusu na eno mwaka ne ichinda. Nonyomire?
Teenagers, adolescents from high school. And we are doing the counseling most of the time as we work on editing them.
Senalia? Isiega. Abana balengo bwa. Musaja uka nkiaoka. Ngakwanya to mwana. Nkiaoka rango somole. Arali. Nyasole. Nkimo kwenda kwenda school, no kwenda konyora abana. Ebili yaonire ngeri. 36. Aya, ngwakana 20 wakana 16. Ogende nka. Lakini otigane, ogende osieka amaguru awo. Aya sieka amaguru. Na sieka amaguru. No eno yonde ga igotabwati aba omusacha, bwata abana be. Na sieka amaguru. Inu sieka amaguru igole bitabu. Dewa naine. Kende nke yonde tayo abakonye na ebikora decide ngaki obugima bwawe kiboko. Sasa? Aya bwana, utkobia. Now you will be able to do something.
Thank you so much.
Aya, bwana.
This is one of the areas which will move the service to the mother and child once it's functional. So this place can be free. Then we see.
The whole of this place, isn't it?
Yeah. What we need to do when these people are admitted, we need to do a background check. We have checked.
Actually, we need to have somebody who is specialist in counseling of most of these people. And even this outreach, you guys, you go to school. Again, get a component of educating them. There is no way we can have young girls that they got pregnant with their fellow students. And actually, not the students, they are pupils. Find out which are the farmers in the together. There. Okay. Hello.
Hello, Mheshimiwa.
How are you?
I'm good.
You are Mr. Who?
I'm Dr. Moka.
Dr. How are you?
I'm fine.
I came here last time. I didn't get fined. I found somebody. Can you allow me? Ni kwa sababu yawezekana hapo ni pharmacy siwezi nikubalia. Okay. Doctor, finally you painted this place. Up at you. Yeah. And the only thing you have not done is redoing this.
Yes.
Getting these pins kuweka tu is difficult.
Actually, since I had a meeting with the team, we agreed we need to do the whole of inside here because this was formerly a lab. Because the design was a lab which was converted into a pharmacy. So we've agreed with them. We're getting designs to redesign the whole of this inside.
Doctor, are you sending anybody outside to buy drugs?
Apparently, we don't do that. We usually send them to, if we don't have drugs here, we send them to Amenity. And then Amenity, if they don't have, they now source for the patient. Yeah.
That's the new norm. That makes sense. Hii biashara tukuna naambia kwamba hakuna dawa hospitalini. I'm happy that we are not going that direction.
No.
Actually, I've seen some vouchers here for KEMSA where there are people lying, writing checks. Writing one check for 50, is it 46,000? Then is captured again in another invoice for it to totalize more. I'm just wondering, how does KEMSA, even if there was kickbacks, how are they going to give them money back? Are they giving the money back to these crooks? Unless there is another conduit from the hospital all the way to KEMSA. And I'm very careful, actually, going forward to deal with KEMSA. If that kind of fraud, we saw it, isn't it? Yeah. And I've asked those people, we're meeting with them tomorrow. I want an explanation, even vouchers being raised without evidence mbaya. But I'm happy that there is a doctor who can literally read it through, not like the intern that you left here. Who is giving you drugs from the store?
Actually, what we usually do, there are some changes that we've done. We have a stockist from Monday to Friday. The stockist, kazi yake ni, if there's any drug that is missing here, kazi yake ni kuleta
Kisha na iko.
Yeah, and we are trying to make some few changes here and there so that we stabilize the process.
And you're agreeing that we are moving in the right direction?
Yeah.
Huh?
We are moving in the right direction.
Nitakuwa hapa mgeni kila wiki.
Karibu sana.
Asante.
Yeah, your presence also is much welcome. We recognize your leadership.
No, Daktari, we need to serve our people. You know, we are the people who have been given responsibility. Yeah. We need to do the right thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah. I'll be here. I'll be coming. I want to see until people they accept. There are those ones who have refused completely to change. We will change them by force. But I'm happy. I'm happy. Today I can see this place is full.
Yeah. Karibu sana Mheshimiwa.
Lakini I'm told condoms, they're not there.
Condoms
Ziko?
Yeah, condoms ziko.
Yeah.
Our clients are getting the condoms.
Yeah.
And sometimes if we've run out of stock or maybe imebakia kidogo, we usually solicit from other sub-counties and from other hospitals.
Yeah, I'm told some hospitals in Nyanza, there is a big problem. And you know, HIV again, it is a big problem in our region, the whole of the region again, which we need to really work on it. Na watu unajua issues of condom hawataka kuongea openly. We must talk about them. We must talk to them until they come to understand.
Absolutely.
Sasa. Wewe ni mtu mzuri naona daktari.
Asante.
Yeah. Daktari, unaona hizo vitu vile ziko?
Every department has raised the number of seats they need. We're consolidating them for purpose of procuring for everyone in the hospital because it's out the wide problem. Yes.
How is the state of this place?
We are pushing on well. A few things we need to do, like the queue management system, improving the staffing as we are directed. We shared with the nurses this week. We're going to get a qualified nurse to be the one in charge of that area, trying to triage and show the patients.
And
around.
even the interns to be in charge of that place, so that they are directed by the experienced nurse for purpose of management here.
We agree that we are looking for at least 5 navigators who will be showing the patients where they're supposed to go.
Yeah, I'm told even these watchmen, they are paid by some people outside here. Wanamuuliza hapana, hapa hakuna dawa, you go outside. We're going to stop that nonsense completely like that. So, let me check what is happening in other places. I'll probably pop in time like today. Haya. Nyinyi chukua hizi vyombo zenu ndio twende. We are going elsewhere. Sitaki kuambia where I'm going to. We are going